Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about how you can use the sum and difference formula for a tangent. To start off, we have the two formulas. It can be expressed as the tangent of the sum of two angles equals the tangent of the first angle plus the tangent of the second angle divided by 1 minus their product. And for the difference formula, it's expressed as the tangent of the difference of two angles equals the tangent of the first angle minus the tangent of the second angle divided by 1 plus their product. As you can see at the bottom, it is the opposite sign from what is, for like the difference formula will become positive, and for the sum formula it'll become negative. And A will equal alpha, and B will equal beta. So to start for our first example, we have tangent of x plus pi equals tan x. So to start off, you're going to plug that into your sum formula. So alpha will equal x, and beta will equal pi. So that'll turn into tangent of x plus tangent of pi over 1 minus tangent of x times tangent of pi. So then you're going to simplify that using the unit circle. So since tangent of x is a variable, you're going to keep it as tangent of x. And tangent of pi will be 0 over negative 1, so that'll become 0. So that'll be tangent of x plus 0 over 1 minus tangent of x times 0. Just giving you tangent of x over 1, which will give you tangent of x, which is what it says up there. So for our second example, we're going to have tangent of 75, and you're going to want to separate that into two angles, and I chose to do it with 45 degrees and 30 degrees because that is in the first quadrant, and it's just easy to use as there's no negative signs. So you're going to plug that in, you're going to get tangent of 45 plus tangent of 30 over 1 minus tangent of 45 times tangent of 30. So then, once again, you're going to use the unit circle in order to solve it. So tangent of 45 would be root 2 divided by 2 divided by root 2 over 2, which will give you 1. And the tangent of 30, which is 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2, which will give you root 3 over 3. So that's going to be 1 plus root 3 over 3 divided by 1 minus 1 times root 3 over 3. And that gives you a pretty nasty compound complex fraction. So you're going to times that by 3 in order to get rid of the fractions, giving you 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 minus root 3. And in order to get rid of the square root on the bottom, you're going to multiply by the conjugate pair, which is the same thing, but you change the sign. So then after you FOIL both the numerator and denominator out, you're going to get 9 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 divided by 9 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 3, giving you 12 plus 6 root 3 over 6 equals 2 plus root 3. And as you can see, you were able to simplify this. But since both of these terms could go into the denominator, you were able to simplify this. But if this did not go into one of these terms, you would keep it as it is. So for our next example, we have tangent of negative 105 degrees. And once again, I'm going to separate that into tangent of negative 60 minus 45. And once again, I'm just choosing this because 60 and 45 are just the easiest angles to use for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that into your formula, giving you tangent of negative 60 minus tangent of 45 over 1 plus tangent of negative 60 times tangent of 45. And in order to find negative 60, since negative 60 is not on the unit circle, you're going to be using coterminal angles, so you will add 360, giving you 300. So after I plug everything in, tangent of 300 is negative root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, giving you negative root 3. And tangent of 45 is just 1 because it's root 2 over 2 divided by root 2 over 2. So then you're going to plug that in, giving you negative root 3 minus 1 over 1 plus negative root 3 times 1, giving you negative root 3 minus 1 over 1 minus root 3. So once again, you are going to multiply by the conjugate pair because, like I said earlier, you cannot have a square root in the denominator. So you're going to multiply it by the conjugate pair, and once you FOIL it out, you'll get negative root 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus root 3, and then on the bottom you will have 1 plus root 3 minus root 3 minus 3. And as you can see, like the last example, the square roots cancel on the bottom, leaving you with negative 2 root 3 minus 4 over negative 2. And as you can see, the negative 2 will go into both of these. It goes into the negative 2 root 3 once, and then it goes into the negative 4 twice. So that's going to leave you root 3 plus 2. So tangent of negative 105 degrees will give you root 3 plus 2.